Hi, I'm Patrick Fenner, and welcome to My Zed Space. The new Zed series was designed from scratch by Allen and Heath engineers and offers professional sound quality at an affordable price. My Zed-14 is really well built. Sturdy, dependable, rock solid, something you find on professional boards costing a lot more.
Unlike other mixers that have their controls attached at right angles to a single flat PC board, Zed-14 uses individual vertically mounted channel circuit boards. Each rotary control is firmly attached to the front panel with a metal nut, resulting in a much more robust product that will resist damage and provide years of reliable operation. Each Zed also has professional-grade 100mm silky smooth faders for ultimate control over your levels.
Every Zed comes with a free copy of Sonar LE, digital audio workstation software. Plus, with the built-in USB, I was up and recording within minutes. With my Zed and Sonar, I can record, edit tracks, add effects. It's a complete studio package.
This powerful digital audio workstation program, designed to run on a PC, is based on the popular Sonar Producer from Cakewalk. Featuring 64 audio tracks and 24-bit 192 kHz audio quality, Sonar LE is designed for the recording musician. Along with Sonar LE are several VST plug-in effects processors for dynamics, compressor gate, stereo chorus, stereo delay, and stereo reverb.
My Zed-14 has 4 aux sends. 1 and 2 are pre-fade for monitoring, and 3 and 4 are post-fade for effects send. Auxes 1 and 2 can be sent via USB to the computer, independent from the main mix, or I can use aux sends 3 and 4 via USB to be used as an effects loop through the computer. Through USB, the Zed-14 really provides audio flexibility.
Like other USB consoles, the main left-right outputs can be routed to USB for recording either pre- or post-faders, but the Zed-14 does much more. By selecting aux 1-2 to USB, a separate feed, independent from the main left-right mix, can be sent to the computer for recording, or the aux 3-4 post-fader sends can be sent to the computer via USB. Because the USB signal path is bidirectional, this allows the computer running effects processing plugins to be used as an external effects source.
Another amazing thing about the Zed series is the number and variety of things you can plug in.
Each Zed-14 has 6 independent mono channels. In addition, there are 4 stereo channels. Each of these has a main stereo input on the quarter-inch jacks, with the ability to take additional stereo inputs from the RCA phono jacks or the USB audio input. The Zed-14 gives you complete control, with plenty of inputs for a small band, duo, or solo performer. In fact, the Zed-14 has 99 different controls on its front panel, actually over 155 if you count the switches, way more than any of the competition. Now that's flexibility. Each of the 6 mono input channels includes Neutrik XLR and quarter-inch input jacks, channel insert, a pan control, illuminated PFL and peak warning indicators, along with a 100mm Alps fader round out each channel. The super wide gain Duo Pre provides over 69 dB of gain, more than any other mixer in its class. Zed Duo Pre technology combines a mic-free and a line input stage. Thus gain is optimal on each. The Zed-14 includes 4 stereo channels. Each channel has dual stereo inputs with quarter-inch and RCA phono connectors. Each input has independent gain, and they can be summed into the stereo channel, or the second set of inputs can be routed directly to the main left-right bus. The stereo channels feature stereo 3-band EQ, pan control, illuminated PFL and peak warning indicators, along with a 100mm stereo Alps fader. The master section includes left-right Alps 100mm faders, monitor output controls with routing, alt stereo output source controls, aux 1 and 2 masters, and molded high visibility 12-bar output meters. Both quarter-inch and 1/8-inch headphone jacks are included on the Zed series.
Another thing that sets the Zed series ahead of the competition is the equalization section, Music Cue.
3 bands of EQ are provided on each channel, featuring Allen and Heath's exclusive Music Cue technology. This musical-sounding EQ has an extended plus or minus 15 dB boost and cut. The middle band is sweepable from 120 Hz through 4K with optimal Q and frequency range. This band can be used to cut boomy low frequencies, tightly boosting bass, or adding a mid-frequency lift. High-frequency and low-frequency shelving controls also boast extra boost to make these controls more responsive. Additionally, a 12 dB per octave low-cut filter is provided to eliminate stage noise and pops. The result is a more defined EQ control.
Nothing beats my Zed. From recording, mixdowns, live gigs, it does everything. I found my Zed space.